Welcome. Today we're diving into some of the most commonly used idioms with the word safe. Let's explore their meanings and how to use them. First, better safe than sorry, meaning it's wiser to be cautious than to take risks and regret them later. Here's an example. Always look both ways before crossing the road. It's better to be safe than sorry. Second, safe and sound, meaning free from harm or danger, often after a risky situation. For example, after the storm, we were relieved to find everyone safe and sound. Third, in safe hands, meaning being cared for or managed by someone competent and trustworthy. For example, don't worry about your dog. He's in safe hands. Fourth, play it safe, meaning to act cautiously and avoid taking risks. For example, I decided to play it safe and stay home during the storm. Fifth, keep it safe, meaning to ensure something is protected and secured. For example, keep it safe until I return. Safe bet, meaning something that is certain or highly likely to happen. Example, investing in renewable energy in a safe bet for the future. Seventh, safety in numbers, meaning being in a group is more safer than being alone. For example, the hikers decided to stick together, knowing there's safety in numbers. Eighth, safe harbor, meaning a place of safety or refuge. For example, the hotel became a safe harbor for tourists during the storm. Next, home safe home, meaning a playful or reassuring way of saying someone has arrived home safely. Example, after a long trip, it feels good saying home safe home. 10th, safe as houses, meaning very secure or reliable. For example, you can trust this plan. It's as safe as houses and completely reliable. Let me know if you'd like examples or explanations for any of them.